Hello everyone, this is Kishore Patil and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Maths for Science. Hello students, in this session we are going to see the numericals of second chapter Work and Energy from Standard 9 Science and Technology. Let us see the first question. An electric pump has 2 kilowatt power. Given that power is equal to 2 kilowatt, how much water will the pump lift every minute to a height of 10 meter? So time t is equal to every minute, that means 60 seconds, and height of 10 meter, that in displacement is equal to 10 meter. Okay, we are using the unit of the power is watt, so that is why power is equal to 2 kilowatt is given, so we can convert it is 2000 watt. Okay, now we know that what is the formula for the power? Power is equal to work done upon time. Okay, and work done, it can be measured in terms of mgh upon t. So our formula becomes P is equal to mgh upon t. इसको थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज करते हैं. Therefore can I write pt upon gh is equal to m. देखो t डिवाइड था, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हुए, gh मल्टीप्लाई थे, यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो गए. So let us substitute the values. Question was how much water का वेट क्या है, मास क्या है, ये क्वेश्चन है. m is the mass, so let us substitute the values. What is p? P is equal to 2000. What is t? T is equal to 60 upon what is g? We know that g, that is acceleration due to gravity, it is 9.8 meter per second square. It is constant always, so g is equal to 9.8 into h is equal to 10 is equal to m, that is the mass of the water. Therefore m is equal to, इसको solve करते हैं, that one is cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. So let us multiply this 2000 into 6, that means 12,000 upon 9.8. आप आपके मेथड से कैलकुलेशन कर लो. Therefore it can be right is equal to m is equal to 1224.5 kg. mass है, that is why unit is kg, or you can say the kilogram. Let us see the next example. Next example is Ravi applied a force of 10 Newton and moved a book 30 centimeter in the direction of the force. Okay, this is very important. Displacement is in the direction of the force, so that is why this one is the positive work done. How much was the work done by Ravi? So given force is equal to 10 Newton and displacement is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, we require displacement in terms of meter. So 30 centimeter is equal to 0.3 meter. So s is equal to 0.3 meter. Let us divide 30 by 100. You can write it is equal to 0.3 because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, now we have we have what is work done. Yes, what is work done? Work done is equal to force into displacement. We know that if there is the force and displacement is there, then only we can say this one is the work done. Or if object is displaced because of the force, then we can say this one is the work done. Work done is the product of force and displacement. So is equal to 10 into 0.3, so is equal to 3 work done. And what is the unit of the work done? It is joule. So work done is equal to 3 joule. Let us see the third sum. The velocity of a car increased from 54 km per hour to 72 km per hour. That means initial velocity was 54 km per hour and final velocity is 72 km per hour. How much is the work done if the mass of the car is 1500 kilogram? Now given initial velocity is 54 km per hour, final velocity is 72 km per hour, and mass of the car is 1500 kg. Achha, we know that we require velocity in terms of meter per second, and given that in terms of kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour velocity nahi chahiye, because into the whenever we are solving sums, we required velocity or units meter, second and so on. MKS, that is meter, second, kilogram. इन फॉर्म में अपने को MKS meter, kilogram and second. So that is why velocity we required in the form of meter per second. So see here, 54 kilometer per hour. So 54 can be converted into meter. Kilometer can be converted into meter by multiplying by 1000, and 1 hour is there per hour, na? 1 hour. So 1 hour can be converted into second, multiply by 60, multiply by 60. So 54 into 1000 becomes meter, and into 60 becomes second, because we know that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 60 into 60, that means 3600. 0 0 0 0, 6 ones are 6 nines are 2 threes are 2 fives are 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 fives are 15 मीटर पर सेकेंड. आप पॉज करके देख सकते हो आराम से. सो इज इक्वल टू 15 meter per second, and by the same calculation 72 km per hour can be converted into 20 meter per second. Okay, now we have to find work done. Now work done, we know that work done is the transfer of energy, or you can say it is the change in the energy or increase in the energy. So work done is equal to increase in energy. Here it is kinetic energy because velocity is given, so increase in kinetic energy. And we know that what is the formula for kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square. So this is the formula. ये जो cloud बना रहा हूँ मैं, इसको लिखने का नहीं है, ये तो explanation के लिए. 1 upon 2 mv square. So 1 upon 2 mv square minus 1 upon 2 mu square. mu square that means initial velocity था ना, तो v that means velocity, तो initial velocity का energy and final velocity के साथ वाला energy is equal to 1 upon 2, we can take common, m we can take common, v square minus u square. is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1500 in bracket 20 square minus 15 square. Final velocity, initial velocity. Final velocity is 20, initial velocity is 15 meter per second. So is equal to 2 ones are 2750 to 750 in bracket 400 minus 225. Okay, so that means we can write 750 into it is 175. So is equal to, let us multiply these two terms, is equal to 175 into 750, 0 as it is, 525, 35 and 37 and 538, 0 0, 25, sorry 35, 3, 49, 52 and 7 and 5, 12. So is equal to 0 5 2 1 3 1. It is 1,31,250 work done, and we know that unit of the work done is joule, is equal to, work done is equal to 131250 जूल. ये क्लाउड वाला लिखने का नहीं. Okay, let us see the next example. The next example is, if the energy of a ball falling from a height of 10 meter is reduced by 40%, how high will it rebound? Okay, now let us see the explanation of this question. एक बॉल यहाँ से हम लोग इसको ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं. सो दिस वन इज द पाथ. आफ्टर बाउंसिंग, यहाँ से एज्यूम करते हैं यहीं से रिटर्न वो बाउंस होगा, उसकी हाइट होगी फॉर एग्जांपल इतनी, क्योंकि उसका एनर्जी 40% से रिड्यूस हो रहा है. दैट वन इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. 40% से रिड्यूस हो रहा है. तो प्रीवियसली ये उसकी हाइट थी समथिंग 10, अब उसकी हाइट क्या होगी, बिकॉज एनर्जी रिड्यूस हुआ है तो उसकी हाइट क्या होगी, ऐसा क्वेश्चन है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी द explanation or the answer. Given 10 meter, that is h1 is given 10 meter and energy is reduced by 40%. So I am assuming E1 is equal to 100, therefore E2 is equal to 60. अच्छा 160 ऐसे नहीं ले सकते, तो 100x लेते, 60x लेते. देखो 40% से रिड्यूस हुआ है, परसेंट दैट मीन 100 ना, 40%, 100 में से 40 रिड्यूस हुआ है, सो रिमेनिंग एनर्जी इज 60. इज दैट ओके? नाउ वी नो दैट what is the formula for the E or the energy? We have, what is energy? E is equal to mgh. Is that okay? What do you mean by mgh? It is potential energy. So therefore we can say E1 is equal to mgh1 and E2 is equal to mgh2, because m mass is constant, mass is constant, g that is acceleration due to gravity also constant, h1 and h2 are different, as well as E1 and E2 are different. We have to find h2. Okay, now E1 that is 100x is equal to mg into 10, and E2 that is 60x is equal to mg into h2. Is that okay? So let us divide. I am taking this one is first, इसको नीचे लिखना चाहिए एंड टेकन. डिवाइड इक्वेशन 1 by 2. तो कैन आई राइट 100x upon 60x is equal to mg into 10 upon mg into h2. Okay, x get cancel, 0 get cancel, then 2 3s are 2 5s are. Okay, m get cancel, g get cancel, so remaining terms are 5 upon 3 is equal to 10 upon h2. So let us do cross multiplication. It becomes h2 is equal to 10 into 3 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 threes are 6. So h2 is equal to 6 meter. Therefore the ball can rebound up to 6 meter. Okay, see the next sum. If a 1200 watt electric iron is used daily for 30 minutes, how much total electricity is consumed in the month of April? So given power of the electric iron is 1200 watt and time is 30 minutes daily. Okay, this one is the domestic use of the electricity, and for the domestic use मतलब जो भी हम लोग घर में यूज़ करते हैं उसका इलेक्ट्रिक कंजम्पशन का यूनिट है किलो वाट आवर. This one is the unit. So let us convert power into kilowatt. 1200 watt, that means 1.200 kilowatt or 1.2 kilowatt, just divide by 1000, because 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt and time is 30 minutes daily. That means it is half hour daily. Kilowatt hour unit na, half hour daily. That means total time is equal to half into 30 in the month of April. April में 30 days है, so half into 30 is equal to 15 hour. Now electric consumption, or you can say electricity consumed is equal to power into time. Power into time is equal to power into time. So is equal to 1.2 kilowatt into 15 hour. So kilowatt hour and 1.2 into 15 whenever multiply by 1.2, 12 5s are 60, 6 is carried, 12 1s are 12 and 6 18, point here 18 kilowatt hour is equal to 18 units. So this is the total electricity consumed or electric consumption. Thank you. If you like the video, then like it, share it and subscribe it. Don't forget to click on bell icon.